Yeahmobi is a global provider of technology-driven intelligent marketing services. We help enterprises reach more customers across the globe by offering integrated services like performance marketing, brand building, and vertical industrial solutions. We are dedicated to helping enterprises acquire users, raise brand awareness, and monetize inventory on a global scale. As a world-leading independent third-party provider of advertisement delivery services, Yeahmobi has excellent relationships within the global media industry. Today, our platform data covers more than 200 countries and regions. In our digital marketing business, we aim to achieve unified governance of global data assets. In this case, we are often faced with the following challenges. First, because of our global presence, we rely on local deployment to deliver consistent service quality across regions. Our business data is thus generated in many different parts of the world. In this context, centralized data governance requires the unified collection and management of data from all continents. This is highly demanding in terms of network quality and big data storage. Second, our services target over 4 billion internet users worldwide. During peak business hours, we may receive over 1 million requests every second. This poses a critical challenge for the concurrent processing power of nodes and data centers. In addition, due to the differences between time zones, we need to scale down the services in areas that are not busy to improve system efficiency. Third, data collection is only the first step towards our goal of data-driven business. The next step is to mine and compute the collected data to help enterprises make decisions with higher precision and efficiency. To provide accurate and effective data models useful to enterprises and their intelligent systems, effective ways of data mining and computing are needed. Before choosing Alibaba Cloud, we used self-managed clusters. However, these clusters are difficult to scale and require high maintenance costs. The costs of data governance are accordingly elevated because our data is complex and globally distributed. Alibaba Cloud Services helped us resolve these issues. Yeahmobi needs to govern data assets in a centralized manner and provide high concurrency and elastic storage. To satisfy these needs, Alibaba Cloud provides an all-in-one data lake solution. The data service architecture of Yeahmobi consists of the data collection layer, storage layer, and computing layer. The data collection layer takes charge of global data collection and centralized data governance. For this layer, we provide Yeahmobi with data centers located in different regions of the world. This geo-distribution method allows data to conveniently flow in from various regions across the world and be brought together, which facilitates centralized computing. We also construct for Yeahmobi a powerful data scheduling platform based on eMapReduce and object storage service. By decoupling storage and computing, and by widely applying the combination of reserved and scalable instances, we can help Yeahmobi reduce the costs of operations, management, and maintenance. At the storage layer, OSS of Alibaba Cloud can help Yeahmobi handle over 200,000 writes every second and store 17 terabytes of data every day. For the data writes and storage, OSS provides 99.999999999% reliability. In addition, the version feature of OSS allows Yeahmobi to restore earlier versions and correct logic errors in business. This makes the applications of Yeahmobi more adept to handle risks. OSS supports transfer acceleration and separates hot and cold data into multiple types of storage. These two features help Yeahmobi reduce costs to the maximum extent without affecting data access. At the computing layer, the data lake solution decouples storage and computing. This provides Yeahmobi with a flexible and cost-efficient offline processing feature. OSS supports a broad range of computing engines. Therefore, Yeahmobi can use OSS together with a cloud-native computing engine. This allows Yeahmobi to compute 5 terabytes of new data every day, cleanse 30 million data entries each hour, and handle 10 billion requests each day. The data lake solution of Alibaba Cloud helps us improve the efficiency and security, and reduce the costs of data collection, storage, and analysis. Our operating costs have been reduced by 50%.